3, 4. What's up, guys? And this is Mark yet again with another guitar lesson for you guys. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to play Peaches by Justin Bieber. And at the same time, this is going to be an introduction to R&B guitar lesson. So let's get straight right into it. So Peaches is a great song for R&B guitar playing because it has major 7 and minor 7 chords. So let's just learn the chords for Peaches. So it starts off with a major 7. So that's a major 7 chord shape. And then it goes to an E minor 7. Goes to a D minor 7 after that. And then goes to a C major 7. And then it loops back again to an F major 7. So it's a 4 chord progression. And each chord is 1 bar. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so after you guys can play these chords like easy peasy, no problem on beat 1, and just strum it like that, just on beat 1. Next is to add color, is to add spice, is to add the R&B flavor to the chords, right? So you guys saw what I did in the intro. Basically, I just, use my pinky to just add some notes. And basically what I'm doing is I am playing the notes in the scale on top of the chord. So basically this song is in the key of C major. And I'm just adding the notes of C major on top of the chords, okay? But I'm just going to give you guys some tips, some tricks to make it easy to play R&B guitar for now, especially if you guys are starting out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to just use our pinky to hammer on and pull off the notes on top of the chords of the guitar, okay? So for the major 7 chord shape, what we're going to do is this. We're going to use our pinky to hammer on the same fret of where our ring finger is on the 2nd string of the guitar, right? After that, we're going to pluck the 1st string, and then we're going to hammer on with our pinky, and we're going to pull off, right? So basically, our pinky can just hammer on and pull off like the notes that are on the same fret where our ring finger is on the 2nd string and 1st string, right? Okay, and guess what? Our pinky can also hammer on and pull off on the 3rd string of the chord. So this is what you can do for major 7 chord shapes, okay? And the rest of the fingers, we're just going to keep it there for now, okay? And it already sounds like R&B guitar, right? Okay? And you can do the exact same thing for the C major 7 chord, right? See? My pinky is just hammering on and pulling off on where my ring finger is, the same fret with my ring finger, on the 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. Right? So technically you can do this for any major chord shapes, okay? So now let's move on to the minor 7. Alright? So that's our minor 7 chord. And our pinky is going to hammer on the fret after the ring finger now, on the 2nd string. After that, it's going to go up to the 1st string. And then on the 3rd string, what's going to happen is my pinky is going to hammer on and pull off on the same fret as my ring finger. Okay? So you see there's some slight difference between major 7 chord shapes and minor 7, right? So, and guess what? You can do the hammer on and pull offs on all minor 7 chord shapes. So like this was E minor 7, right? So if you go to D minor 7, guess what? Same thing. Okay? So this is just the tips and tricks, right? So what you're doing right now is you're building pinky strength, okay? This is a good pinky strength builder. And you know, you're not cracking your head on learning the scales, the whole scale on the guitar neck. And you know what? It's good to learn the whole scale on the guitar neck, but if you're just starting out and you just want to play RnB guitar, you know, just basic RnB guitar, this is a good place to start, knowing where you can use your pinky in relation to what type of chord is in the song, right? So F major, E minor 7, D minor 7, C major 7. So it's already a lick by itself, right? So if you guys can't play the hammer on and pull off fast enough, what you guys can do is, instead of playing it at 16 notes, basically what I'm doing right now is I'm playing it at 16 notes. 1 E and a 2, right? 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. So if you guys can't do it yet, play as 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 Okay? So actually playing it as 8 notes would be really, really useful and helpful, because it trains your pinky to have control. It trains you to have control over your pinky and to play at the exact rhythm that you want it to play. And it builds strength. And just do that throughout Peaches, you know. Just play the exact same pattern throughout Peaches. Throughout the whole song, because it loops and loops and loops. And you want to get that pattern underneath your fingers so you don't have to think about it. You don't want to like stumble whenever you're changing chords, right? You want your pinky to be able to just hammer and pull off like it's no problem at all, okay? So after you guys can do it with 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3, right? Then you guys can try it at 16 notes. 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. 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 So this is just one pattern that I'm just showing you guys. So what happens if instead of playing the lick starting on the 2nd string, what if we started on the 1st string coming down the guitar, right? Wow, it already sounds like something different. Oops. Right? So now that you guys know that you guys can use your pinky on those notes, you guys can come up with your own licks, your own variations of the hammer on and pull off. What if you guys do? Right, that's nice. Right, that's nice. So you guys want to come up with your own licks, your own patterns, and guess what? Play it throughout Peaches. Play it throughout the whole song because it loops and loops again. Get it underneath your fingers. Get it so solid that you don't have to think about it. Okay? So I'm just going to give you guys one more lick and one more tip to try out, okay? So essentially what we're doing is we're playing the scale on top of the chords, right? That's why we... Okay? So basically, you guys notice I did this on the C major 7 just now. Right? And essentially is these 2 notes here are part of that C major scale and also part of that C major chord, right? Imagine if I took out my pinky And then if I, hammer on and pull off. That's why I can just do that slide thing. And that's so simple, but that's already so nice, right? Right? And guess what? Since it's a major 7 shape thing, you can do it for F major 7 too. Right? Sounds great. All right, the minor 7, you can't really do it. I mean, you can do it. You can do it here. And I guess like here. Right? So just feel free to explore and experiment, And then once you guys come up with the licks you like, the ideas, because all of us are so unique, we tend to get attracted to certain things in guitar, to certain styles, to certain notes. So you would guys just want to build your own vocabulary, and after that, just add them all together. So what happens is, right? You get to like just explore and experiment. So really, like, there's no limit to what you can do. The only limit is your creativity, Just add the skills to the chord, experiment, find out what works, what doesn't work, I hope this lesson has been useful for you guys, and just a great place to start, experimenting and trying R&B guitar style playing. So yeah, if you like this channel, please share it, please like it, comment down below, what was helpful, what you liked about it, what lesson you want me to do, and I'll be happy to do it. This was very fun. So I post regular guitar lesson videos, so if you guys want to learn more guitar, just hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, right? All right, see you guys, and happy guitar playing. Have fun. See ya. Bye bye.